Hi, my name is Rachel Reed, and I am the Director of Learning at Allendale Christian School. Allendale Christian School has a history of excellent results in our PSAT and MAP scores. We hold our students to high academic standards and are proud of what they accomplish here at ACS in their studies. We also continually review curriculum and have made recent updates to our elementary literacy curriculum and elementary social studies curriculum. ACS has also been using the framework of Teaching for Transformation for 6 years now. It is ingrained in everything that we do. Teaching for Transformation is a journey into the promise of our school's mission and vision, which is to equip students academically, spiritually, and socially to gratefully serve God in all aspects of life. TFT is a learning journey into student engagement that shapes their identity both as a learner and as a disciple of Jesus. TFT applies what we learn to meet real needs of real people. It provides a framework for ACS students to not only see and appreciate God's story at work, but also to recognize how our learning calls us to action to live God's story.